If you own a pool, I think you will know that one of the hardest areas to clean is the surface. You can get the walls and floors clean with a lot of pool robots, but the surface cleaning is made very easy with it. AIPER EcoSurfer S2. Now this is an amazing machine. It can work in conjunction with any pool cleaner that you already have. This is how you clean the surface. Now this was provided for me, from my honest opinion, from AIPER, and we are going to unbox it today, and I will show you how to take it from the box to the pool, completely set up and cleaning your pool surface, working with any machine you already have, independently and in conjunction with. Now watch and see how great this wonderful tool is from AIPER.
It offers 24-hour continuous cleaning. That's unbelievable. One of my favorite things is the quick start guides. Their quick start guides are always so great. It will take us through each step of charging it, setting it up on the app, and then going through each of the steps on how to use it. Also comes with a full instruction manual, which is always got the biggest and best tips to use. Now this is a really unique little pool noodle that will keep it from going into your net of your skimmer. It is safely packed within all of the good padding, and now we're going to look at the machine itself. We're going to take it out of its protected bag, and you will see it's just beautiful. It has a beautiful solar panel right on the top for solar charging. In addition to the DC charging, it has a great bin to pull out right there for cleaning, and in the back some more safety materials on the jet propellers. And you will see you'll have a nice charger that's very long for the DC charging. A fabulously large solar charging screen. That 24-hour cleaning and the debris guard anti-leakage design is one of its unique features, and the solar seeker, it will seek out the sun technology at its best, and it offers anti-stranding bars. Now these are for areas of your pool that might have less than 5 inches, and mine does, so I'm really excited to use that. It walks you through how to expand those bars and how to detract them when you don't need them. It's a fully customizable option. The best features are the 24/7 cleaning. It has a chlorine dispenser, so you can actually apply the chlorine directly in your pool. That is so unique. In addition to the dual charging modes, it has optical sensors that will avoid obstacles, and it maps a pattern out for your pool. Now let's get it charged and get the app set up. Now we have plugged it, and we can now see that we have a blinking green light. That means it is being charged. When it's solid, it will be complete and ready to start in your pool. Now, AIPER has a really good app. You can see when the light is completely green, it's ready to go. You can pull up the AIPER app that works on Apple and Android, and it will customize your program. Now, if you need an upgrade on the app, it'll prompt you to do that. If you have any other AIPER tools on your app, it will give you an opportunity to add a new one. So I'm going to sign in here to my internet, and I will simply add this by Bluetooth to my app. It will prompt you to accept the download, and it will give you an option to pick on the surfing machine and allow for notifications. Now, that is simply all you need to do. It is all set up. Now you'll be able to control the machine from the app. We hope you like this video. Like and follow us for more about this great machine.